Papasok na ba?
But you have to assist if you want.
Okay, dami. Thank you. Di ba gagawin? Doon na ba yan? Okay ba?
Okay. Dito ka, Sarah.
Oh! Thank you.
Alright.
Mabuhay, sir.
Buhay. Sabi mo, buhay.
Mabuhay, sir.
Hello. Thank you. Parang mga estudyante pa kayo ah. Babata ah. Buhay. Hello. Ay, nagkita ulit tayo ma'am.
Balik natin ka sa baba.
Inikot yung mga ano eh. Para ma-share ko later. Sige po, ikot mo ako ha.
Masaya doon sa mga.
Ah, galing na po ako doon. Papaprint ko lang. Doon po, sa patering. Oo. Ikutin niyo po na lahat para kapili kayo. Matala lang?
Sa check-in counter. Nagpandemic.
Yun. Orla. Masarap, ma'am. Mukhang masarap ang kain niyo, ma'am. Kayo, ma'am, masarap. Tumatango lang eh. Kayo, ma'am, marami na kaya nakain yata.
Of course, my friend from the time that I was mayor, so pareho lang kami nagtira. Pareho lang kami ng age group. Very well-known, well-loved nanay of everyone, not just from Pampanga, the Vice Governor, the power behind everyone here, Vice Governor Lilia Nanay Pineda. Of course, we have known each other for quite some time and beyond several administrations, and I am very proud to say that we have. We also have all the artists here, and they are all from Pampanga. They are all from here. We are showcasing to you the best of the Pampanga. I am not from here for
Meron pa pala. May darating pa ba? May darating. Okay na yan. Okay na raw. Paano drinks?
We already is the #1 destination, and we #1 tour.
May pamikibog-kikongan, salangi kayo. That is the language that means good evening and come home, come to our house and present it. Okay. We are honored to have all of you with us tonight in celebration of the next 2 days of knowledge sharing and exchange. We want you to enjoy this opportunity to socialize, meet new people, and strengthen old connections. Now, ladies and gentlemen, join me in raising our glasses as we celebrate a toast to the success of Milestone 2024. Cheers to new experiences, exciting opportunities, exponential gains, and an excellent Milestone 2024. Mabuhay!
Thank you very much, Atty. Special touch, even though you don't need so much. Feelings now, pop out to all the time. A touch of feeling, simple love, and you can feel it go on. Look at me, the strong you need.